If you drive a classic VW Passat B5 or B55, you know that after 2 decades, the interior pieces start looking rough. This simple 6-speed gear shift knob claims to completely revitalize your driving feel and interior aesthetic. But can a generic replacement really deliver that precision? First off, let's talk compatibility. This isn't some vague universal fit. It's designed specifically for the 1997 through 2005 Passat models, complete with the integrated boot. That targeted engineering means the fitment is spot on, eliminating the guesswork often associated with aftermarket parts. Visually, it's a massive step up. The sleek finish and modern design instantly elevate that aging interior, blending functionality with a stylish aesthetic. It's made from premium, scratch-resistant materials, which is crucial for a high-touch item like this that sees daily use. Holding it is where you really notice the difference. The manufacturer focused heavily on ergonomics. It's precision-engineered, meaning the contour fits perfectly in the hand, reducing fatigue on those longer commutes. They call it a soft-touch, non-slip grip, and that translates into confidence during aggressive or frequent shifting. When you engage the gears, the lightweight yet sturdy construction ensures crisp, accurate changes. It feels responsive, almost tightening up the shift action compared to a sloppy, worn-out factory unit. The smooth operating mechanism ensures seamless gear transitions, enhancing overall driving control. This is engineered for responsive performance, delivering that accurate gear change every time. Installation is straightforward, making this a hassle-free upgrade. You don't need to be a mechanic to swap this out. And because it's built from robust, high-quality materials, it's designed for long-lasting reliability, withstanding daily wear without losing its sleek finish. Overall, this 6-speed gear shift knob and boot combo for the Passat B5 is more than just a cosmetic fix. It merges genuine functionality with stylish aesthetics. If you own one of these classic VWs and want to bring back that factory-fresh feel, or even improve upon it with better ergonomics and precision, this is a highly recommended, practical accessory that delivers on its promise of comfort and performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.